I'm not comfortable going to a chiropractor because I'm scared of the cracking sound. Look, I totally get it. That sound can be intimidating if you're not used to it. But here's the thing, the crack you hear, that's just gas releasing from the joints, like popping a champagne bottle. It's completely normal, and in most cases, that means that the joints are moving the way they're supposed to. Your comfort and safety always comes first. Still nervous? Let's talk, and I promise it's not as scary as it sounds.